Hey guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing wonderful. Welcome to my channel, and for those who subscribed, for those who, even if you haven't subscribed to my channel but you've been watching, I really appreciate your time and all your effort. Now I have a little situation. Like, I've got this video that is all ready, everything is put together, but every single time I exported that video, it's got flashing images in one of the scenes. It's not appearing at the time when the video is all set, but every time I export it to my device and then I'm ready to upload it, one particular scene's got flashing images. Then if I delete that scene and then redo it again, then it moves to another scene in the video that I put together, and that's just how it is. So by the time you look, I may not have a scenes at all. So I don't know what is causing the flashing images, and I am very cautious about if someone is watching my videos and that light just keeps flashing in the back. Bearing in mind, it's nothing to do with my background, it's exactly what it is now. It's just when I export it to my device, it just keep having flashing images. So I am not too sure, and I'm not really good at that. But if you are familiar or have any sort of concept what that might be or what causes that, just let me know, because I am clueless. The video is there and I just can't upload it because I'm really I would like people to sit down and feel very comfortable in watching without going like this, you know, because of the flashing images. Okay, with that being said, I'm having a cup of tea here. No, sorry, a coffee, obviously, to keep me afloat. So as you guys know, that I have been holding down the fort for quite a few, time now, because my mom obviously needs to rest, just recovering and stuff like that. So I am also going to prepare for breakfast this morning, like spinach and pak chow. My hair really needs doing, my god. Yeah. But that's fine, we're in the house, we don't need to be acting all posh and every single thing. We've got our moments, days and time. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do some pak chow and some smoked mackerel that I bought in Sainsbury's. And yeah, while I'm still sipping my coffee, I already cut up the seasoning already. Actually, I'll just show you guys, because this hand for me is really sick, so sometimes it's a little bit crazy around here. We are coping. So it's just a little quick breakfast, and all we're gonna do is just have it with bread. That's it. Keep it simple, right? Yeah. I'm so paranoid now even recording this, because I'm wondering if when I'm ready to put this together, if there's also going to be flashing images in the background and I'm wasting my time. So I hope not. My nails are still popping. What you know about me? What you my lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is okay. Let's go. So these are my greens, pak chow and some spinach that is cut up, and obviously my onions, scotch bonnet pepper, and yeah, the smoked mackerel there. Actually, I like it as well. The one from Sainsbury's, just got this. You guys know that in terms of when it comes to ackee and saltfish and smoked red herring itself, my favorite is actually ackee with red herring instead of ackee and saltfish, just an FYI. Anyway, I'm a little bit hungry. Let's go. So I'm just waiting for my oil to heat up before I throw all my seasoning in. So I went right in and I added in all my seasonings, such as my tomatoes, my bell peppers, my onion, and scotch bonnet peppers. And then after it's cooked up, I'm going to add in my smoked mackerel. And then of course, whilst I add it in here, pardon me, but I've got one hand here using and holding the camera, so I'm just cooking everything up now. The smoked mackerel is added into the pot, and then after I get everything to how I want, of course, I'm then going to add in my pak chow and my spinach. Yeah, I'm showing it down. So I've went in and I added in my spinach and my pak chow now. So I'm just going to stir everything together, that including the mackerel and of course the onions and things like that, which you can see right here. And then all I'm going to do is to cover this and allow it to steam, and it will spring its own water, which obviously you can see already, and allow it to cook. A little bit difficult to be using one hand and stirring the pot, so this is why you're going to get the video the way that you were getting it, while I made a simple, delicious, easy going breakfast. Myself can't wait for it to finish, but yeah, it's just a little bit of showdown there, do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, almost finished. Okay, many of you would have known, but but things like pak chow, cabbage, callaloo, you know, spinach, obviously it doesn't take long to cook. It's really steam that actually cook these things down. So at the moment, it's just steaming down. Okay, it's all finished. This is what I'm talking about. It's the steam. It sprung so much water. Okay, I'm just gonna get something to eat now. Actually shared out my mom's the one already. Yeah, so let's just get this wrapped up and out. So you already know that I'm not here to design up any plate or anything like that. I gave mom her steam veg that I did, so she's having that right now, so I'm happy about that. I'm gonna do mine as well. I'm really exhausted, so I'm just gonna have mine with bread. What a balanced diet. The most important thing is to get this green down, so that's just what I'm gonna do. So yeah, you see how many water that is sprung into that vegetable? Yeah, because naturally these like I said before, like cabbage and stuff like that, and callaloo and whatever, and pak chow, they, you know, steam is what cooks them, and so it sprung a lot of water, so you don't need to add any water to yours. Okay, well, you can do whatever you want to do, but you know, this is my cooking, okay, and my channel. Okay, let's go.